is worksheet? That one is very important because in all terms, in all assessment, worksheets always come and you have to fill this. And yes, I have some work for you. Please learn the tables. Okay, learn the tables. Okay. Now there is first question is 25 multiply by 40. Now this we have to find the product. So this one is very easy. How? As we know, we have to multiply this. Then 0 will be take to here. Right? 4 5s are 20. 20. Okay, we will do here for you because I know this one is going to be difficult. I will only take 4. Right? 5 4s are 20. 2 0 will be here. 2 will be go to upper 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 2 10. 0 will be here and 1 go to carry to 1. Then 4 1s are 4 and when we plus the carry it's become 5. Right? Now we having 500. We having 500 but we have not included the 0. So this 0 will go to here and it's become the answer of 5000. If you having any query related this, that ma'am, how can ma'am give the answer so easily? So you can go to your answers keys and you will see that 5000 is your answer. So in this way you can do this easily. Okay. Or in a quick method if you want to do, you can do simply 4 5s are 20, there will be 0. 2 go to carry. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 0 will be here. 1 go to carry. Right? Then 4 1s are 4 and 5. Here is we got the 500. And yes, there is 0. That become 5000. Right? Your answer is here. So, the other sums is also related to it. You can see here. I am showing you. Right? This one is also you have to multiply by 10. So, answer is very simple. You have to just take over 0 here and yes, when we multiply by 1 then the answer will be same. As simple, there is also 10 and in the second this is also very simple. If like in the second multiply by 10, right? You have to multiply by 10. Hope this one is very quick for us, right? As simple, we have to multiply C. Okay? I'm not taking 0. I'm only taking 1. And if you remember, I have given 1 point to you to remember, right? That whenever we multiply by 1 any digit, any 3 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit, the answer remains the same. So the answer remains the same. So 225 will be remain the same and 0 go to here. And the answer is 7250. Right? In this way we had done our first fill in the blanks and then multiple all by 10 and then you have to 40. You will do this by yourself. I am not going to do here because it's also very easy. Just you have to multiply by 4 and take 0 on the last. Right. Then there is 50. That is also very easy. You can see 144 you have to multiply by 5. Okay. There are 3 sums are given to you. You have to multiply by 50. Right. So you can easily do this. 5 4s are 20. 0 will be here. 2 go to carry. 5 4s are 20 again. And when we plus the carry, it's become 22. 2 will be go to here. And 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. So we having 720 and this 0 will be go to here. And yes, if this method is very difficult for you, then do an open method. Okay, like this. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 and 2 will be carry. So 22. To go to here, 5 1s are 5 and yes 2, 5 1s are 5 and 2 become 7. So 720 and this 0 will go to on the last. So it's become 7,200. In this way, we will solve this multiple by 50. Now, there are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are statement sum. So in the statement sum, what we will do? As one of some of examples I will give it to you. Okay, because one of them is very confused statement for us, right? We can see on the 10th. On the 10th statement, you can see very confused words are given to us. How? I can explain. Like there are 7 months with 31 days. So the first statement is 7 months with 31 days. Then the second statement is 4 months with 30 days and 1 month for 28 days. Then what they are saying, find the total number of days and add 1 to it, find the number of days in a leap year. So you can easily see this, that 7 and 4, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1 month more, it's become 12. And 12 months, how many days are in 12 months? 365. If there is leap, when we add it 1, how much it? 366. This one is very easy, simple, but written in a very difficult method. So firstly you have to understand all these statement sum, and then you are able to know that how to express these. Okay, so in the first one you can see how many days are there in 15 years. Now we know that in 1 year there are 365. Okay, in 1 year we having here, okay, here we having 365 days, right? And yes, what they asked to us, that 15 years. So what we will do? We will multiply 15. Okay, then we will 15 years, days will be 5,475. Days are in 15 years, right? But you have to know about this, how to multiply. In this way you can easily find the answers. Okay student, so there are a lot of questions that you can see how many hours are there in 40 days. If you know in 1 hours how many hours are there, 24 hours, right? So you can do this by 40 multiplied by 24. When you multiply the 40 by 24, you will get your answer by 960 days are in hours, right? In 40 days. How many hours? 960 hours in 40 days. So in the last 7th, how many biscuits there in 400 packets? If one packet is 20 biscuits. As we earlier do the statement sum, what is given to us? The one packet source is given to us, and you have to find a lot of quantity, 40, 50, 60, 70. If you know one thing of it, one quantity of it, you will find the whole quantity of that packet, right? For all 40 packets. So hope you will remember these things and you will do by yourself. And yes, I will provide you PDF by solution, but students, if you want that you will be able to find the product of multiplication, you have to learn the tables, you have to know why we